Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Welcome back to MTSB channel. MTSB Choice, credible,
High quality,
objective,
integrity,
construct Amalia Aswaja.
excellent.
Now we will talk about important of prayer. Before it, introduce myself. My name is Budi Setianugroho and my partner.
My name is Mr. Ridho Ali Ridho.
Let's question. Ya Allah, you are the one I mean, and your blessing is what I demand. What are the implications when we read it before prayer?
Okay, thank you for the question. Let me analyze the question. So, the perform prayer, or we can call Salah, is the most important worship for Muslim. If we want to do Salat more focus or more concentrate, so we have to use the starting point is in the reading ilahi anta maqsudi waridhaka matlubi a'tini mahabbataka wa ma'rifatak. What does it mean? I just want to give you the main meaning of this reading. So we have to make ourselves a servant of Allah. For the reading, the underlying meaning is Ilahi anta maqsudi. Ya Allah, you are is my purpose in this salat. That means we have to make our intention straight, or the purpose, the main purpose only for Allah, no other. If we know in Muslim concept, there are three kinds of base hurt. We have to know first. We should have faith. I mean, the first we have Muslim or Islam as our religion, and the second we should have iman or faith. At last we should have ihsan. If we read ilahi anta maqsudi waridhaka matlubi, that means we have to use our iman, also our ihsan. Rasulullah said in hadith, qala Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam fil hadith, anta abudallaha ka'annaka tarahu wa illam takun tarahu fa innahu yaraka. The meaning, to worship, anta'budallah, to worship, ka'annaka tarahu, is like you see Allah in front of us. Wa illam takun tarahu, if you don't see Allah, fa innahu yaraka, you should believe in your heart that Allah always look at us. That means from the reading ilahi anta maqsudi, we have done ihsan in the starting point of salat. That means this lafaz is important for all Muslim in the first time of salat. This is my little analysis of this reading. Thank you. This is my answer.
Question number 2. Understand the prayer readings. Absorb the readings. Put them in your heart and send them in your prayer, so that synchronization occurs when performing prayer. Please give your opinion about it.
Okay. We have to understand all that Salah, this is not only obligation. Salah, this is not only obligation, but this is also our main need. Okay. How can Salat will enjoy for all Muslim. So we have to use our brain, our heart in all of movement, also the reading. If we don't do that, we only cancel our salat, our mandatory, our obligation. So just try to enjoy all of the movement and also the reading in salat. Because Allah said in Al-Quran, Quran Surah Al-Jumu'ah, A'udhu billahi minas syaitanir rajim, Fas'au ila dhikrillah. Fas'au ila dhikrillah. Do the salat. Do the salat soon. So salat, this is as a way to remember of Allah. Not only cancel the obligation. Remember of Allah, we have to use our brain, also our heart. How to do that? The ways are, when you read in every movement of Salat, just try to understand. For example, in the lafaz of Surah Al-Fatihah, Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ya Allah, only for you I worship, and only for you I ask for everything. When we understand the meaning in the reading of Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in, we will do the salat be more khusyuk or more focused. This is the meaning we have to synchronize our brain, also our heart in every movement, especially in the reading of salat. Thank you. This is my answer, Mr.
Okay. The question number 3. Why do many people prayer without a trace?
Okay. Why too many people perform prayer without trace after? So, salat, this is our obligation as Muslim. As Muslim, if we did that without trace, so the problem from ourselves, not from the salat, because the salat, we know in the Quran Surah Al-Ankabut, A'udhu billahi minas syaitanir rajim, Utlu ma uhiya ilaika minal kitab wa aqimis salat. Inna salata tanha 'anil fahsya'i wal munkar waladhikrullahi akbar wallahu ya'lamu ma tasna'un. Quran Surah Al-Ankabut verse 45. Just take the underlying meaning from this verse. Wa aqimis salat. Salat, not also we do the salat and then after that we cancel every obligation in the worship. But we have to do this salat is like build a building. So that means the underlying mean from Wa'akim salat is build salat. Build up the salat. Not only do the salat. How to build up the salat? Yeah, I have answered before and I have explained before. We have to try. Focus. It's like Allah in front of us. If we don't see Allah, it's like Allah always look at us. If we feel that, our salat will be more focused. Then, how to do build up salat? We have to do the salat or the perform prayer seriously. Seriously, start from the intention. Use, of course, inside of your heart, not only your mouth. So use all of our sense. Inside of heart, mouth, brain. This is, I mean, we have to do salat seriously. I underline the word seriously. Okay, try to the best. How to the salat? More, and best performance in your salat by serious. And The meaning of the question of the trace, Salat, the impact or the result is tanha anil fakhsha iwal munkar. We will avoid from the badness. We will avoid from the badness in our life. If there is Muslim do the badness, but he or she did salat, this is the problem from the salat. This is the problem from the Muslim self, not the salat. If the salat of the Muslim is good or correctly, the Muslim will not do the badness. Of course, in all of life will do the goodness. I mean, tanha anil fakhsha wal munkar is one of the impact or the effect or the result of salat. So try to do salat seriously. In order after salat, we will have trace. Thank you. This is my answer.
Okay. Your explanation connecting with the question number 4, sir. Okay, why do many people, when performing prayer, their mood and brain are out of sync and their heart is empty?
Okay, many Muslim, or maybe me, myself also, sometime in the time of perform prayer, we think another. We try to imagine something useless. Why? This is because we don't do the salat seriously. In the intention of salat, we don't do the intention seriously. We try to do, we think more about this word. We forget Allah in the time of salat. Just try to focus your salat by remember Allah, then forget everything in the world in the time of salat. This is not long time. Maybe a maximum time of our perform prayer is 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If you focus to Allah, remember the afterward, akhirat, in the 10 minutes only, this will not will not be happen useless in your worldwide. Just try to focus in your salat, in your reading, also your movement, and will not be happen everything in your world. This is my answer. Thank you, Mr. Budi.
Okay, sure. Nice. Next question. Prayer is representation of our deeds. If the prayer is good, our deeds are good. But if the prayer is bad, then all its deeds are bad. The most beautiful memory during life on earth is prostrate. So make our prostrate well. Why is the prostrate as the prayer movement so meaningful?
Okay, thank you for the question. One of the most important movement in Salat in the prostration position, we can say in the Arabic name is sujud or the prostration. Why? The prostration is the most important than another because is Allah said in Al-Quran Surah Al-Alaq, A'udhu billahi minasyaitonir rajim, wasjud waqtarib. Wasjud waqtarib. Do prostration to near of Allah. That verse means in the position of prostration is the near position, the close position to Allah. Why? Just think the reading of prostration. Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. the most holy of Allah. Wa bihamdi, and the most praise only for Allah. The most holy, you know what does it mean? Allah is the most holy. Uh, Allah away from all of the dirty, all of the sin, and all of human and all the creators. They have full sin. But Allah is the only holy God, the most holy God. If we want to close of Allah, we want to near of Allah, we have to purify ourselves first. That's why the reading of prostration Subhana, the most purified, is only Allah. We have to fill ourselves with the most full sins, and in the prostration try to make ourselves in the zero position. We have many sins. That's why in the prostration Rasulullah said in hadith, Qala Rasulullah from Abu Hurairah, anna Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam qala akrabu ma yakunu nul abdu mir rabbihi wa huwa sajidun fakfiru wa du'a rawahu. Rasulullah said in this hadith, the most close position here is prostration. That's why use this position also this time is your best time in Salat. This is my answer, Mr. Budi. Thank you for the question.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ridho. And the last question, I hope you can give explanation for the last. Uh, Please classify the prayer movement and readings from Takbiratul Ihram to Salah.
Okay, so as Muslim, we have to do every worship by knowledge. Not only, I mean, in the perform prayer, there are pillars we have to do. We have to fulfill that. The first, I mean, there are two kinds of pillars, are rukun qawli, also rukun fi'li. Rukun qawli means word pillars, okay, and rukun fi'li means movement pillars. What is the word? The word pillars or rukun qawli. First is intention. When we do the intention, don't do that only in the mouth. Yes, the reading in the mouth, but the real intention indeed inside of our heart. The Arabic lafaz or the Arabic reading in our mouth, but we can translate any language by your heart. I mean, this is will make our intention be more quality. That means just try to use the intention from your heart seriously. Okay? And then the next rukun qawli in the first also in the end of tashahud. From at-tahiyyatul mubarakatuh sholawatut blah 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 until the end. This is included in rukun qawli. And also we forgot one. We have to read Al-Fatihah. Okay? If you don't do the rukun qawli, so we have to change by sujud sahwi in the salat. So don't leave it. Okay? And next is rukun fi'li or the movement pillars are takbiratul ihram by upraise our hand. And next we do bow or ruku. And next itidal, also prostration. And also the sitting between prostration at last sit in iftirosh. I mean the sitting position in the first or the end of tashahhud. We don't spare it. Mister, this is include in pillar. This is include in sunnah. No. Just do all of the movement, also the reading of salat, sunnah or mandatory or obligation by one procedure of salat. Start from intention until the end of greeting. Just do that. Don't say this is sunnah, so I don't do that. No. For example, iftitah. This is sunnah, but as a Muslim, just do that. Don't think this is sunnah, this is obligation, so I don't want to do sunnah. I just only do the obligation. No, do all, because all of the movement, also the reading in salat, this is important for us. Thank you, Mr. for the question.
Okay. Okay, I think enough for Q&A. And thank you for your attention. Thank you
Yeah.
for Mr. Ridho. And Assalamualaikum
War-
warahmatullahi
Wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.